The Pennsylvania Department of Community and Economic Development was facing an impossible mission. There are 2,700 municipalities in Pennsylvania, and imagine at any given time, any one of them could reach financial distress. It could occur because of an unexpected event. Some of these communities being anywhere from 150 people to 15 million people. And when you imagine a town of that size running into financial distress, it's a serious occurrence. You could have a fire department who now suddenly can't afford to pay for maintenance of its trucks. And imagine the implications when the town reaches financial distress and it's deciding whether it can serve its fire department, its police department, or keep the streetlights on. And then at any given time, where any one of these municipalities falls into distress, they only have one place to knock, and that's at the DCED. The knock could come at any time, on any day, in the middle of any month. Where the state is expected to step in and help the citizens of these communities with these serious issues. There was no early warning system in place. There was no way for them to track through 2,700 different municipalities to understand by hand what the economic situation was of each and every one of them. They needed a system to centralize this information. They needed some ability to be able to predict this financial distress that was about to hit these communities, and they needed to be in a position to react before the event actually occurred, where the money was already gone. In this case, we use the CitizenDeveloper platform. The platform naturally lends itself, first of all, to save money, which was challenge number one, and second of all, to build in a lot of agility, which was challenge number two, walking a path that had never been walked before. So we were able to rapidly prototype the model, bring the application to life on screen, battle test it, iterate it, battle test it again, and then iterate it over a couple of months' time in what otherwise would have taken years of development. And then the second advantage, of course, that saving that time saved a lot of money and also got something into production immediately that could begin solving problems. We needed to put together a system that allowed for a series of yellow and red flags to be applied to each of these cities or municipalities' metrics. What this allowed for is they could then, at a later date, weight these individual metrics differently depending on their desired outcome. And then yet a third level of complication was depending on where the city was located and also its size. I'm really happy to say that the DCED was able to better serve their communities and better able to get data insights that led to providing services to communities that were on the edge of financial distress instead of too late and already in financial distress. And that really was mission number one. Word spread, and other states, like the state of Michigan who reached out to us, were better able to serve their citizens as a result using similar technology. If you or your organization are facing an impossible mission as well, and you need an innovative approach, whether a team helping you with building a policy and process or helping deploy that application, please go to sstech.us and we're happy to help.